The Siemens Numerical Control Company, located in Nanjing, China, has a long-term vision about sustainable factory construction. In the pump station of SNC factory, there are 3 ground source heating pump systems and 2 water cooling pump systems, which are used to control the ambient temperature of both the office area and the production workshop. SNC ground source heat pump system uses groundwater as the cooling source of summer refrigeration and the heating source of winter heating. It has the advantages of using renewable resources, reducing operation costs, saving space, and being environment-friendly. Each ground source heat pump system is controlled by 2 Siemens CNC G120XA converters, 1 SINAMICS S7-200 PLC, and 2 1LE0 motors.
The SINAMICS G120XA converter can help further reduce energy consumption. According to the simulation results of SINASIV, one set ground source heating pump system in SNC can save 636 megawatt-hours electricity and 317 tons carbon emissions per year compared with soft starter control, and save 71.6 megawatt-hours electricity and 41.6 tons carbon emissions per year compared with third-party converter. SINAMICS G120XA built-in software functions such as Eco Mode, Hibernation Mode, Energy Efficiency Optimization function can further improve energy efficiency.
In addition to SINAMICS G120XA, SNC factory construction also applies other self-produced drive products. V20 converter is used in rainwater recycling systems. SINAMICS G120 converter is used in primary air systems. By applying self-produced drive products such as SINAMICS G120XA in the construction, SNC factory provides a safe and comfortable working environment for employees while making a great contribution in carbon reduction, energy saving, and resource recycling.